Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Axie Infinity Arts. So welcome back everyone. So this time we will continue Mahakali digital art. Let's start. Mahakali actually shown in blue or black complexion in popular Indian art. Mahakali is Hindu mother goddess of time, death and doomsday, god of consciousness. There are various stories regarding Mahakali's origin. One version of Mahakali birth story is that while Ma Durga, means one of the form of Mahashakti, was fighting Mahishasur, while Ma Durga became so enraged that her anger burst from her forehead into the form of Kali. And there is other story that one Daruka named demon who receives boon that only female can kill him. So that Parvati merges with Shiva's body and reappeared as Kali to defeat that monster Daruka and his army. In Hindu mythology, we have three principal deities: Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh. There are so many other gods and goddesses. So I actually take inspiration from all of them. So time for some animation. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share my channel.